Hello students, welcome to PVK chemistry classes. So in this video we are going to discuss the oxidation and reduction reactions of aldehydes and ketones. Oxidation and reduction reactions of aldehydes and ketones. So I already discussed in previous videos the oxidation reactions of aldehydes and ketones. We know that aldehydes on strong oxidation gives carboxylic acids. Ketones on strong oxidation gives carboxylic acid. Here also we are using the strong oxidizing agent, complete oxidation takes place. Aldehydes on oxidation gives carboxylic acid. Suppose we are using the mild oxidizing agent, ketones does not reacts in the case of mild oxidizing agents. Strong oxidizing agents, chromium trioxide, acidified potassium dichromate, concentrated nitric acid, acidified sodium potassium dichromate, sodium dichromate, acidified and alkaline potassium permanganate. Suppose we are taking aldehyde, acetaldehyde, CH3CHO. On oxidation gives CH3COOH. Acetaldehyde on oxidation gives acetic acid. Suppose benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde on oxidation gives benzoic acid. Benzaldehyde on oxidation gives benzoic acid. Strong oxidation, ketones. Ketones on oxidation. Ketones. CH3, COCH3. Acetone on oxidation gives acetic acid and carbon dioxide. Acetic acid and carbon dioxide. Mild oxidation, Tollens reagent and Fehling solution. Tollens reagent, ammoniacal silver nitrate solution is called Tollens reagent. Fehling solution A and Fehling solution B. So it will discuss in the test for aldehydes and ketones. Fehling solution, simply copper sulfate solution and sodium potassium tartrate. Aqueous solution of copper sulfate solution and alkaline solution of sodium potassium tartrate. It also oxidizes aldehydes to carboxylic acid. Ketone does not react with Tollens reagent and Fehling solution. While the strong oxidation, if you are taking unsymmetrical ketone, it follows the Popov rule. Popov rule. In the case of unsymmetrical ketones, keto group stays preferentially with smaller alkyl groups. For example, CH3, CO, CH2, CH2, CH3 is a 2-pentanone, is an organic compound, 2-pentanone. 2-pentanone on oxidation. Look at this example, this compound is a unsymmetrical ketone. The keto group preferentially stays with the smaller alkyl group. Smaller alkyl group. Keto group on oxidation. This group on also oxidation gives the product like this. CH3 COOH and CH3 CH2 COOH. Acetic acid, ethanoic acid and propanoic acid as the product. Ethanoic acid and propanoic acid as the product. Is unsymmetrical ketone and its oxidation. The last one is haloform reaction. Haloform, chloroform, bromoform, iodoform preparation. Iodine and NaOH. Iodine and NaOH or KOH. First step, it gives sodium hypohalite NaOI and HI. This compound on further decomposed to give NaI and oxygen. This oxygen is utilized for the oxidation process. For example, so I already told you condition for haloform test. The carbonyl compounds at least having CH3CO group, CH3CO group or CH3CHOH group. CH3CO group or CH3CHOH group undergoes this haloform reaction. All other carbonyl compound does not show this coliform test. Especially I told you methyl ketones are characterized by the test called coliform test or simply iodoform test. For example, acetone or acetaldehyde. First you are taking acetaldehyde, reacts with iodine and KOH. Alpha hydrogen atoms are replaced by iodine. Ci3CHO. Next stage, oxidation. CHI3 and HCOO Na. Iodoform and sodium. Okay, we are taking potassium, therefore potassium formate as the product. Potassium formate as the product. Acetone, CH3CO, CH3, iodine and KOH, Ci3, CHO, CO, CH3, triiodoacetone, and further reaction gives iode form and potassium acetate. Potassium acetate as the product. This is a haloform test. Next is reduction reaction. So the reduction reaction also under the 4 categories. First category, reduction using catalyst, hydrogen nickel, hydrogen palladium, hydrogen platinum, hydrogen and copper, etc. Whatever may be the catalyst used for the reduction process, the catalytic reduction. Reduction using reducing agent, lithium aluminum hydrate and sodium borohydrate, reducing agent. For these 2 categories, the carbonyl compounds are converted to corresponding alcohols. Carbonyl compounds on reduction gives corresponding alcohols. Especially aldehyde on reduction gives primary alcohol. Ketone on reduction gives secondary alcohol. Alcohols acetaldehyde on reduction with lithium aluminum hydrate. Acetaldehyde on reduction with lithium aluminum hydrate, it gives ethyl alcohol. Acetone on reduction with hydrogen nickel, CHOH, CH3. Acetone on reduction with this catalytic catalyst gives secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. Suppose you are taking benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde lithium aluminum hydrate gives benzyl alcohol. Acetophenone, hydrogen nickel, methylphenyl carbinol, benzophenone. Diphenyl carbinol. So these are the first 2 categories, A and B, whatever may be the conditions, either catalyst or is a reducing agent. The third and fourth, Clemmensen reduction and Wolff-Kishner reduction, zinc amalgam and corn HCl, hydrazine and sodium ethoxide or sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. In these 2 reduction reaction, carbonyl compounds are converted to corresponding alkanes or hydrocarbons. Carbonyl compounds to hydrocarbons. Carbonyl compounds to hydrocarbons. Clemmensen and Wolff-Kishner reduction. For example, CH3, CHO, zinc amalgam and corn HCl. Zinc amalgam and corn HCl is present means you must understood this reaction is Clemmensen reduction. CH3 plus H2, where 4 nascent hydrogen atoms are used. Ethane and water. acetone reacts with hydrazine N2H4 KOH or NaOH or sodium ethoxide. We know acetone reacts with hydrazine gives acetone hydrazone. Acetone hydrazone are decomposed to give propane as the product. Propane CH3 CH2 CH3 N2 plus H2. Propane as the product. So, it's the intermediate compound formed for this process is acetone hydrazone. Suppose you are taking benzaldehyde hydrazone. Phenyl acetophenone, you are taking acetophenone hydrazone. The last one is Mervin-Pontroff-Verley reduction. So, this reaction is already I explained already. So, this is the reaction which is used to convert ketone to secondary alcohol. Ketone, especially acetone reacts with isopropyl alcohol. Acetone reacts with isopropyl alcohol. It gives isopropyl alcohol and acetone. This is the MPP reduction. And reduction to phenols. Suppose we are taking 2 molecules of acetone. Reduction to phenols. 2 molecules of acetone. Two molecules of acetone in the presence of magnesium and mercury. What? 2 nascent hydrogen atom. So, the reaction takes place like this. CH3 CCH3OH CCH3OH CH3. The name of the compound is 2,3-dimethyl butane 2,3-diol. 2,3-dimethyl butane 2,3-diol. So, these are about the oxidation and reduction reactions of carbonyl compounds. Thanks for watching. Share your friends. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.